You do have one, right?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Just to say, I love you both, and it's not personal.
Get on with it.
My favorite jollof dish is...
You know, I wish I was sent back when I was younger.
What?
When you got into trouble and your parents sent you back?
What are you on about? Sent back where?
To Ghana.
You can always go back.
Nah, it's not the same. I go there and I'm trying to play catch up with my culture. You know, trying to learn the language, trying to trace my ancestry. It's not the same.
It's not a sprint.
You don't get it.
Why is everything a competition to you?
How many times have you been to Nigeria?
That's not the point.
No, go on. How many times?
Okay, never, but every day I'm excited to learn about my origins and I love my country.
How can you love somewhere you've never been to?
You've been to Ghana once.
Exactly. And for 1 week. I mean, how can I claim that my jollof is the best if I've never really been home?
Are we still arguing about jollof?
You know, I got into a fight back in the day. You know them ones where the whole playground comes together and forms a circle? Anyway, me and this guy Marvin got into a fight. You know, both got detentions. When I got home, my dad gave me the biggest whipping. You know, I even had a phobia of belts for a while. I didn't realise at the time, but it was the best thing that ever happened to me.
We all got disciplined.
The funny thing is, when I came into school the following week, Marvin was gone. Whole school was like, "Where's Marvin? Where's Marvin?" It was only a few years later when I saw him at a baby shower I realised where he'd really gone.
Ghana.
Told me it was the best thing that ever happened to him. Told me it gave him character. I mean, he learned Ga, traced his ancestry, travelled the whole country. I mean, he even told me that the locals gave him a nickname. Nature boy. Nature boy. I wish it had been me.
Hey, it's okay, Kwam.
Why'd you always have to be the strong one?
Because she is.